Hello and welcome. This is Sharif from Connecting Software. We all know that the default integration between SharePoint and CRM is handy, but would have been more handy and reliable if the security permissions were replicated as well. Today we are going to see how CB Dynamics CRM SharePoint Permissions Replicator fills that security gap and makes the integration between CRM and SharePoint handy, reliable, and secure. Let's demo one of the many scenarios, see the problem and the solution. In front of us, two Dynamics 365 users. Left side is Alan, a sales manager. Right side is Veronica, a salesperson with less rights and permissions than Alan. Alan goes to Accounts and creates a new account, let's call it Megatech. Adds a document to this account. As Alan is the owner of the account, he, of course, can see the account in CRM. Veronica cannot see that account because she doesn't have permissions to do so. Alan can see as well the folder which was created for that account in SharePoint, along with all the documents inside. But what about Veronica? We would expect that Veronica won't be able to see that folder. However, as we could see, Veronica can see the folder, that account, even though she cannot see the account in CRM. She can open that folder and edit the documents inside. A huge security gap that needs to be covered due to the fact that the security permissions are not replicated between CRM and SharePoint. Good news is, CB Replicator solves this issue nicely and behind the scenes. So let's start CP Replicator and let it take care of this. When CP Replicator starts, checks for the solution, user mapping, permissions mapping without any additional effort from the CRM or the product administrator. It goes to secure the folders created while it was not running and secure any new folders created while it's running. It gives you details on what's happening via the replication logs page. We could already see that the CP Replicator is handling the Megatech account folder. Let's check Veronica's SharePoint. As we could see, she cannot see that folder anymore. Now, we are sure that SharePoint users won't see folders of CRM records that they are not supposed to see. Of course, if Alan would like to share the account with Veronica, she is supposed to see the account and the documents of that account in SharePoint. Once again, CP Replicator comes to ensure that. So let's share the account with Veronica, giving her read and write access. We see that Veronica can see the account in CRM, and we can see that CP Replicator got a notification from CRM that this account is shared with Veronica and already did the required permission replication. Finally, we can see that Veronica can see the account folder in SharePoint. Only this time, she's allowed to do so. Of course, when Alan revokes the sharing of the account from Veronica, she won't be able to see the account in CRM. CB Replicator will right away hide the folder from Veronica. Of course, that was one of the simplest scenarios implemented using security roles in CRM. CP Replicator, packed with many features, supports any CRM or SharePoint installations, multiple SharePoint servers, and a lot of complex security permission scenarios. It comes with 3 ways of deployment to meet your business requirements. If you would like to learn more about CP Replicator, be sure to contact us. As always, thanks for watching.